When it comes to your Medicare and health insurance, guessing what plan you should buy is no easy task, and with open enrollment coming up, it can cause a lot of worry. Now, we've enlisted some help for you from Colleen Gimbel from Berwick Insurance Group. Colleen, thanks so much for joining us again.
You're welcome. Nice to be here again.
It's nice to have you. So we're talking about this modern Medicare Expo that you guys have planned. It's going to be so good for people to know their options. What else can you tell them about it?
Well, you know, one of the things that we've seen happen over the last couple of years with the carriers is how they can start to integrate benefits into healthier living. Most of the time people don't think about insurance until they're at the doctor's office or they're checking out of the hospital and they're like, how much am I going to owe? And then that's when we start thinking about insurance. So Berwick Insurance, we travel all over the country. We work with a lot of different carriers. And one of the trends that we've been seeing is that the carriers are starting to integrate benefits into what they provide to the Medicare beneficiary on how to create a more healthy lifestyle. So for example, there's a study that was done that says that people who are more solitary, who live a less social life, they're kind of secluded, and there's a lot of those, unfortunately. They use $100 more a week in insurance benefits than people who are in a more social environment.
Wow.
So the carriers are starting to look at this and say, how do we, close the barn door before the horse gets out? How do we prevent people from getting sick instead of just where we typically think of insurance as like premiums and co-pays and going to the doctor? So it's really, we looked at this modern Medicare Expo as an opportunity to tell people there's a lot more to insurance than just what you think it is. And so to come on out and really get to see what benefits are available to you that are like gym memberships, and other things that people need. So we're excited about that.
Certainly, and to educate people, I mean, that's definitely one of the driving forces as to why you would do this event. Is there anything else that you had in mind when you were going to plan this event?
Well, I think that, I wanted to say it's not your father's Medicare, but that doesn't kind of really work because Medicare was signed into law in 1965. But I really think that it's showing people so much more than what they're used to. And I think that's why people should come. It's just to come and see what's available. We're going to have some really great activities. We've got a special guest speaker, which we're excited about. The event is October 16th. It's at the DoubleTree Suites over by Reed Park. 9 to 3. We are going to do a full day. What's kind of fun about it, and I guess I'll just address the coach Sean Miller's our special guest speaker, and just to say we're going to talk about positive Arizona basketball. So we're really excited to have him. But the event is really on Medicare. He's not going to talk about insurance. He's going to talk about just basketball. But we're going to have, as you can see on the screen, we're going to have a lot of different little 20-minute presentations. We'll do a morning session and an afternoon. People can come and just listen to 1 or 2 sessions. They can walk around. We'll have booths available. We'll have licensed insurance agents there who can check their plans, check their prescription drugs, make sure that they're on the best plan at the best cost, because things do change year to year. So we've got some great agents that'll be there to help people with whatever questions they have. And so we're in marketing, we call it edutainment, so it's sort of education and entertainment. So we're hoping that'll get people to come on out.
Beautiful. It's going to be supremely helpful. There's going to be so much information for people. Who should really come out to this event?
Well, obviously anybody who's on Medicare should come. One of the things that we automatically think 65 and older. However, there's a lot of people that potentially could be impacted if they're on Medicare at a younger age because of a disability. We will have Spanish-speaking agents there, so if you speak Spanish, come on out. There'll be someone there to talk to you. The other thing that's big is that people who are my age, who have parents who are on Medicare, a lot of times they don't have any knowledge or awareness of what's going on until their parent is in the hospital. And unfortunately, that just sort of happened to me and my family this weekend. Is even though we work in insurance, my dad had to, have a procedure, and we were all like, "Where are your cards? What's going on?" So I think it even accentuates the idea that everybody that's available, that is interested or has a parent or relative that might be on Medicare, to come on out. Berwick is licensed in all 50 states, so if you live here and your parents live in another state, you can come and we can find, you know, someone to help you in whatever state your parents are in. I know there's a lot of winter visitors and things, so it's good for people to come out for that as well. So pretty much anybody that wants to know about Medicare.
I like that. And like I said at the top, there's so many intricacies to insurance that to have an expert help you through these, it's going to be invaluable. So real quick before I let you go, do people have to RSVP? Do they have to sign up somewhere? Or can they just show up?
They can just show up. We're encouraging RSVPs because we do have seating is limited, and we expect a lot of people will want to hear Coach talk. But you can call us or go to our website, weknowhealthinsurance.com, or call us at 745-2300.
Very good.
What's our phone number? Yeah, I forgot our phone number.
I'll give it to him one more time. It's going to be a good opportunity to see Coach Sean Miller as well. That's rare to be able to see him speak.
Yeah,
and also to get all these resources.
And he's a great speaker, and we're going to talk about fun, positive Arizona basketball because it launches this weekend too.
Who doesn't love that? Thank you, Colleen. Nice to have you.
Thanks a lot.
Our pleasure. Now, the Modern Medicare Expo will take place this Monday, October 16th at Reed Park Doubletree Suites from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. At the event, you can get your current plan reviewed and be able to check out the new plans for 2018. To learn more, call 745-2300 or visit weknowhealthinsurance.com.